Hi, I'm Delandis and welcome back to my channel. I am going to do something a little different today. I am going to do a get ready with me because I am so excited. I have a workshop today with a very special guest, Maymuna, coming all the way from Berlin. I actually met Maymuna in Paris and I took her workshop. So I am so excited to have her here today to bring her booty therapy workshop here, and I am doing a burlesque workshop. So I'm so excited. So I'm going to do a get ready with me, and I am not a makeup artist, as I always say, but I love to be creative and I love to do makeup, and I'm going to get vulnerable with you guys today and just kind of show you guys my prep routine whenever I'm getting ready for a workshop. So this is what I do. So I'm a little nervous. So I am going to go off camera, do these brows, and I'm going to come back to you guys. Okay, I am back. Eyelids primed, brows done. Remember, they're sisters, not twins. Yeah, so I've never done one of these videos like this, so I really don't know what to do and what to talk about. I guess I could just talk about everything, right? About this workshop today. Now, again, I'm not going to really talk about the steps that I'm doing. You guys can just watch. I may talk about some steps. Again, I'm not trying to teach a tutorial. I'm just doing a get ready with me. And this is what I like to do. Normally, I do my little silly little funny videos for Instagram, my makeup videos. So those are usually really funny and silly and acted out. And but today you guys get to see the real deal, as I'm rushing because I'm running behind. So I have to do this really quickly, and I usually like to get at least a good 2.5 hours. But I'm going to sit here and have my Dorian Corey moment with you guys. If you guys don't know who Dorian Corey is, look her up. Watch Paris is Burning. If you don't know what that is, look that up too. But yeah, so have my workshop today. Maymuna is coming in and she's really excited. You know, it was really fun for me to go travel to Europe last year to do workshops, and I've said this before, it has been such an amazing experience. And you know, when you go over to these other countries, you meet so many wonderful people who are so excited to learn, and so being a person that loves to teach. Yeah, so I am doing this orange around here because I'm trying to color correct my beard, mustache, all that stuff, so when I do my foundation, you don't see through it. It just kind of takes all of the discoloration away. Ugh. Always try to overdo it. That's one thing about me, is I overuse everything, but it makes me feel comfortable. But I tend to overuse everything, so I'm probably putting way too much of this on, but I'm gonna look sickening at the end. You just wait and see. Fingers crossed. So I think we're good in here. Doing your eyes, that is so scary. Now, okay, I tend to not always have everything readily available, so I may have to get up here and there and go somewhere just to pick up stuff, but let's set this baby. There's gonna be a quick beat today because I may come back later on and do another character after my workshop, so it's gonna be a day of painting. So that's why when you guys see my videos, I always look orange down here. If I don't sometimes do this step within the process of the video. But yeah, so we are dancing today. What I like to do normally is, I'm one of these people who I may prepare a little bit just to have like maybe 8 counts ready, you know, just to kind of start like a little intro, but I tend to like to choreograph on the spot, so I don't know exactly where I'm going to go today. I know I want to use chairs, and we may do some partnering stuff in my burlesque workshop. And I'm doing an oldie. I'm doing Monifa, Touch It. So I'm excited about that one. The babies may not know who that is, but Monifa, Touch It. It's gonna be really sassy today. I want it to feel sassy. So that's what we're doing today. So listen, I am going to go ahead and start these shadows. Wish me luck. I'm using the James Charles palette, which I love. James, you did a great job with this palette. There's some fallout, but you know, a lot of shadows fall out. All right, so this is my vulnerable place. Yeah, so I am doing this workshop. Maymuna came all the way from Berlin. She lives in Berlin now, so this is a fun, exciting opportunity for both of us. Because when I was in Europe, I was doing a workshop over at, I always am so nervous about saying this because I don't want to mess up the name, but Juliette, L'École des Filles. I said it the other day for a French guy and he corrected me. But yeah, so I taught there, and that's when I met Maymuna through this guy that was coming out of the workshop, Mark. And Mark actually just left because he was here for a film festival, or a screening, I should say. And I was able to see him, and I did a project with him. So it's really awesome to see Maymuna here now. So they're kind of like weeks apart, coming in. One of my transition color today, which is like a little, it's a little pinkish. Kind of goes with my background. I love that. And I'm gonna do both eyes together because I ain't got time to be trying to do one eye and coming back. That's how I normally do it anyway. I do one eye. I do the other eye. There's some people, especially when they're doing this stuff for camera, they'll do one eye and then they'll go off, fix camera, and do the other eye. But I always feel like, oh shit, look at that. Too much. See? Well, that's okay. We're gonna cover some of that up anyway, baby. We're gonna cover some of her up. So I keep saying this whole thing about me not being a makeup artist, but you know, I love being creative in every way, either if it's doing hair. My dad's a hairstylist, so you know, I guess I kind of picked up the bug a little bit with just being creative. My mom is very creative, very artistic as well. There's my phone. Workshop day, so everybody's trying to text me. Yeah, so, but the cool thing is, I actually did a, what am I trying to say here? See, I can't talk and do my makeup. It's distracting. But yeah, so I did a look for Black History Month. So I did a look for Black History Month, and I wanted to pay homage to Miss Oprah Winfrey. It was really, really a cool experience because, you know, I had no idea that Derek, Oprah's makeup artist, would see it. You know, I tagged them both in the Instagram video, and he was so unbelievably sweet and reached out and just said how amazing he thought the transformation was, and he thought it was stunning and it was spectacular. And you know, it was just really nice to get a compliment from someone of that caliber, you know, doing someone that's an icon's makeup. And whenever you're recreating someone's look, is always very tough, and especially when you really have no huge experience with this type of stuff. So I just thought that it was pretty awesome that Derek reached out and just said hi. And I've been kind of chatting with him and, you know, just saying hi. He's a very, very, very sweet guy. And I think he's actually celebrating his birthday today, February 23rd. He's celebrating his birthday. I don't know if this is his actual birthday, but I know that he's having a celebration today. So, Derek, I hope it was wonderful. By the time, if you ever see this, you know, it would have been over. But yeah, so thank you so much, Derek, for the props and all that good stuff. It really means a lot. And I am doing another look from the movie A Wrinkle in Time, actually. So I am going to do another look, and hopefully it's just as great. I am trying to schedule another workshop or another tour of Europe, and I'm working on that right now with some friends in Europe. I will hopefully go back to teach in Paris, and I'm going hopefully to Italy to another dance studio, another dance school, which I'm really excited about. Yeah, so I don't know how this is looking, but bear with me. I told you guys that it's this is kind of new to me doing this on camera, but we gonna figure this one out. We gonna do it because that's what we do. We get creative. Let me bring my brushes over here so I don't have to go out of frame. But yes, let's use this brush. So I need to get out of here like within an hour, and it's already like I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this happens. We'll see how this goes. This is really a rush job, guys. It really truly is. I really like take my time. I'm trying, like I said, I'm trying some new colors and doing some new stuff today. So hopefully it'll turn out the way I want it to. Anytime you're trying try some new stuff right on camera. It's kind of nerve-wracking, but you guys are supportive, right? You better be. All about supporting people in their creative endeavors. She's coming along, I think, maybe. All right, Delandis, to speed up this process, we're gonna try to move on, because again, this is a really quick beat today. I'm gonna be late to my own workshop. So I'm gonna try something new today. How am I doing here? I'm gonna try something new. I was online and I saw these primers here. These NYX primers. So I'm gonna try this NYX primer, and I hope that, yeah, I hope it goes well. Let's see. It's going with this bad baby. See? Clumsy today. And I'm teaching a dance class, can you believe it? So yes, I'm going in with this this NYX here. So, is it adjusting? Yes, with this primer here. And I'm gonna try it. Let's see what happens, people. The shimmer will come out a little more if I use this. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do her. And I think I'm gonna use a shimmer from the Manny MUA Life's a Drag palette. I did say that this was not gonna be a tutorial, right? And it's not. I'm serious about that. It's not a tutorial. I'm trying to get myself together for my workshop. And you know what, good. I think I go above and beyond for these things, you know. I just like to fit the part, look pretty, gives you a little confidence, you know. And I like it. Because I used to do workshops and I didn't do makeup or anything like that, but, well, first of all, because I never really did my makeup. I always had someone else do it, but, which is always nice to have someone else work on you. But when I do a lot of these shoots like this back to back, it's just kind of easy to do it yourself. And then when you have other big shoots, you know, have someone else do it for you. It's always nice. This is a pretty color. Yes, I'm using a Fishy from Manny MUA right here. This color here. You guys can see that. Yeah, so there you go. How we're looking. Crazy. That's how we're looking. So yes, I need to figure out some choreography for today. I know all of these chairs. Alright guys, so let me go back in with, I'm having a little fallout here, but that's okay. We'll pick that up in a minute. I never find what I'm looking for. Always feels like there's one eye that's always a little easier to blend than the other. Are we still here with me? Are you still here with me, people? Going through my makeup prep for my workshop today. Okay, so let me go, let me move on. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Shucks. I need more time. Never enough time. It's great to have a hobby. You know, I talk about being a dancer and everyone, you know, always thinks that dancing is always fun. And yeah, dancing is fun and dance is something that's been my love for a long time and bread and butter, but when it becomes your career, it's something a little different because it's no longer a hobby, right? And so it's wonderful that I've been able to just pick up something else and be creative with it, which is the makeup side, and it's something I've always been interested in, and I kind of dabbled in just a little bit. And when you do Broadway shows or you do big shows like that, or any show, you really are responsible for your own makeup. You really don't have a makeup artist unless you're like a star. And even sometimes stars have to do their own makeup on stage. So I always tell people you want to have at least a little knowledge on what's going on, you know, when it comes to makeup and stuff like that. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I left you guys for a moment to go do these, you know, kind of put some liner on these eyes and all of that stuff. But and yeah, to turn my light on back here because I totally forgot to turn it on. Totally forgot to turn it on. Forgot my light. Forgot my beautiful halo light that kind of gives me a little sparkle at the back. Come on, Nars. Shake, 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 shake. We're gonna do it this direction. I don't do it that direction. You guys are making me nervous. Look at that. I'm gonna go off camera and finish this foundation and I will be back. All right, I am back. As you've seen, I've done quite a few stuff here and I'm running, like I said, again behind. So let's push on. Gotta cut this face. Give me some cheekbones. And voila, the completed look. Alright, so this was a rushed face. I didn't have time to really do everything I wanted to do, but I think that I'm good. I'm good. So thank you guys for being with me. This was my Get Ready With Me. Getting ready for my burlesque workshop with Maymuna. It's going to be an amazing time, and I cannot wait to let you guys know about everything that we did in this workshop. So bye guys, thank you so much. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel and press that bell notification so that you may get any notifications for videos that I may upload. I am saying this really fast because I am out of here, off to my workshop. Bye.